In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic opening where a bright sunflare expands across the screen and slowly reveals your video with a warm and dramatic look. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the light expansion feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Sunflare Expands, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, a bright flare grows outward, filling the screen and revealing the video underneath in a cinematic way. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the flare expands. Shorter duration makes the reveal bold and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smooth and emotional build-up. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the flare complements your visuals and music. And that's it. You've successfully added a Sunflare expanding reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.